Have you ever faced a situation where your button just won't disappear, no matter what you do? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Kotlin where the visibility of a button isn't working as expected. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your code seems perfect, but the button just refuses to go invisible. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers encounter similar issues. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why is my button not becoming invisible in Kotlin?" They shared their code snippet, and it looks like they are trying to set the button's visibility to invisible, but it just isn't working. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? In Kotlin, the visibility property can sometimes be tricky, especially if the view reference is not set correctly. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to check the visibility property being set in the code. The user is currently using view.invisible, which is incorrect. Instead, they should use view.invisible. Next, the user should ensure that they are importing the correct view class. This is crucial for the visibility property to work as expected. Now, let's review the button's clickability. The user is setting play.isClickable to false, which is fine, but they should also consider whether they want to disable the button entirely or just make it invisible. Finally, the user should test the changes to ensure that the button becomes invisible as intended. They can run the application and observe the button's behavior. Did you know? The first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s, and they were a game changer for how we interact with computers. Just like coding, sometimes things don't work as expected, but that's part of the journey. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using play.visibility equals view.visible to make the button visible, and playVisibility equals view.gone to hide it completely. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your view references and visibility constants. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your button should now become invisible as expected. Remember, attention to detail is key in coding. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on debugging in Kotlin.